A very busy week here at the state capitol leaves lots of questions in these legislative hallways.
Mr. Speaker, I move previous question on the bill as amended.
Moved.
Cries from Democrats that a member of their party was left unheard during the fetal heartbeat bill debate Thursday showed the continued steep divide between Tennessee Republicans and Democrats on abortion. Representative Gloria Johnson wanted the bill amended to allow for abortion in cases of rape or incest, but she was not called on as the bill was quickly passed and claps came from the gallery.
Order. Order in the room.
The Republicans did everything they could just to silence her and silence Tennessee women.
Republican Speaker Glenn Cassida said he followed House rules in not calling on Johnson when there's a motion to vote on the bill by moving for previous question. The Republican supermajority agreed.
Under parliamentary procedures, when someone moves previous question, that takes precedence over amendments.
Democrat leader Mike Stewart says his party would not have done it that way if they were the supermajority.
If the roles were reversed and Representative Van Huss wanted to speak his views on this issue, which are very conservative and different from mine, it wouldn't even occur to me to try to silence him. I think people should be able to speak on issues of importance.
And next week begins a meatier part of the legislative session up here. House members begin dissecting the state budget proposed this week by Governor Lee. Reporting from the state capitol, Chris Bungard, Local 24 News.